Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how you can earn 3 million CATS coins free. And currently, the price of CATS coin is 0.0033 ACE. If you calculate, you can receive almost $1,000 profit by just completing simple tasks. So, let's get started. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous video about the CATS airdrop, you can check it out to earn more CATS coins and sell them when they are listed. So let's start, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I upload high-profit airdrops daily. Now let's get started. First, open your Bitget wallet. Then, go to the Earnings Center and tap on it. You will see the Fair Launch Pool, CATS. The total reward for this launch pool is 750 million CATS coins, and the average reward per person is 3 million CATS coins. Tap on the Join button. Now, the CATS launch pool page will appear. You need to complete 6 tasks to verify this airdrop. It takes an estimated 5 minutes, so let's do it. First task, you need to hold $10 worth of TON coins. There are multiple options to deposit TON coins in your wallet. You can use an exchange to deposit the TON coin. For the second task, you need to swap $10 worth of TON coin to any other coin like Doge or USDT. Make sure you use the TON mainnet. Now for the third task. It is coming soon, so leave it for now. For the fourth task, you need to follow CATS on Twitter. That's all for the fourth task. For the fifth task, you need to join the CATS Telegram channel. Now let's go to the sixth and final task. You need to bind your Bitget exchange account to your Bitget wallet. Simply tap on Start Interaction, then tap on the Bind button and confirm it. We'll redirect you to Bitget Exchange. Right now, I don't have a Bitget Exchange account, so I can't complete this task. If you have the Bitget Exchange installed, you can complete this task. Now, go back to the Bitget wallet, go to the Launch Pool, and tap on Join. Finally, tap on the Verification button. If you have completed all the tasks, your verification will be complete. In my case, I haven't completed the 6th task, so my verification isn't done yet. I'm going to download the Bitget Exchange and complete this task. Make sure to complete all tasks, then tap the verification button. You will receive 3 million CATS coins in your Bitget Exchange account. When the coin is listed, you can sell it and book your profit. When the CATS token is listed, I will make another video on how to sell your CATS coins and book your profit. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. That's all for this video. See you soon.